Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking about Discover Financial and more specifically how you can order checks for your Discover bank account. So first, just a little background on what checks are. A check is a physical piece of paper that's linked to your bank account. You can use this to pay someone or a company, and the way that it works is you write the check and then give it to the person that you're paying. They will then deposit the check into their bank account, and once they do that, the money will be taken out of your account and deposited into theirs. So now that we have a kind of an understanding of what checks are and how they're used, I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can order them. Before we get started, you will need to have a copy of a voided check or something else that has your Discover bank account number and routing number on it. So first you want to open your browser and type in the bank web address. You can use Safari, Chrome, Firefox, whatever browser you normally use will work perfectly fine. I'm going to be using Safari for the purposes of this video. As you can see, I'm already on the Discover website, and you can see the web address at the top of the screen, simply discover.com. You can also check the description for the link to Discover. The first way that you can order checks is going to be to log in to your Discover bank account online. To do this, you're going to click on the Login button at the top right corner of the screen. So you click on that, and that's going to bring up your 2 fields where you can enter your user ID and your password, and then you're going to want to just select a bank account or whatever account it is that you have that you are looking for checks for, most likely your bank account. If you don't have a user ID and password, you can click right down here where it says register your account and then follow the steps on the screen to complete the enrollment process. Once you're logged in, go to banking options and then order checks online if available. Usually banks do charge a fee for checks and it's normally a set price, but be sure to look for any banking promos that include free checks if you have a certain type of account. The second way to order checks is by calling the customer service number for Discover. You usually would be able to find this phone number located on the back of your Discover debit card, and it's probably the easiest place to find it. You can also look for a Contact Us page on the Discover website, but that can sometimes be a little bit tricky to find and not so straightforward. But if you happen to know of any other ways that we can find this phone number, please be sure to let me know in the comments. I do also want to let you know that there is sometimes an additional fee to use this service to order your checks, but that's something that the customer service representative will be able to lay out for you when you speak with them over the phone. The third and final way to order checks is going to be to go to google.com and do a search for order replacement checks for Discover. I've already got this tab open and typed into the search bar order replacement checks for Discover. And what this does is it brings up several third-party vendor websites where you can order checks from. So you've got Checks Unlimited, Checks in the Mail, Bradford Exchange Checks. Sorry, I accidentally clicked on it. All of these are pretty popular websites that you can order your checks from. Do be aware that prices and security features will vary when ordering online through a third-party vendor. So if you happen to know of any other good, reputable third-party vendors to order checks from, please be sure to let me know in the comments. Ordering checks through third-party vendor is also where your voided check will come in handy because you'll need to have your exact Discover account number and routing number. Unlike when you order through the Discover website or through the customer service, those numbers won't automatically be loaded, and so you'll have to provide those yourself, and you want to make sure to get them exactly correct. So those are the 3 ways that you can order checks. I hope that you found this useful, and please check out the description for more information on Discover Financial.